How to register as affiliate on Alibaba.com. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. In the search bar, search for Alibaba Affiliate. Move into the second site over here. It will land you on this interface. You need to scroll down and you'll find the option of register. Tap on it. Well, it will redirect you to this page. In order to register as an affiliate on Alibaba.com, you need to fill up some of your information over here. First of all, you need to enter if you are a publisher or a networker, and then enter your email address. After that, you need to enter your country code, and then choose the affiliate type. Enter the name of the company and your affiliate name. Enter your telephone number, your Facebook account, and your Skype account. And at the end, you need to create one password. Once you are done filling up all of your information, you need to click on Create My Account. Wait for a while. So there you go, your account has been created successfully. Now you just need to fill up some of your bank information. First of all, select your account type, and then enter your account number and your account name. Also enter your SWIFT code, bank name, bank branch name, and the bank address. Once you have filled up all of the information, tap on Complete Profile and then you'll be good to go. So this is how you register as an affiliate on Alibaba.com. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.